In this CapCut tutorial, I'll show you how to blur the video background to a video that doesn't fit the canvas. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this really works well with vertical videos and I'll show you how this works. I'm in CapCut and I'm using CapCut version 2 right inside here, and I'm going to import some videos. Some videos are in landscape view and others are in vertical view. So I'll just drag and drop them right there. And to begin, I'll just add a landscape, kinda a horizontal aspect ratio video right inside there. Just a fellow walking along the street or something. Now, let's come up to this particular section here and I'll add this vertical video. Once I add it, I'll click right here so you can see how it looks like. Now, the one thing that you'll notice is that it is going to be surrounded by a black background. And this is probably not the ideal type of video that you're working on. And this could be a picture that you wanted probably to display in your video. And you really want to add a better look instead of these black edges. So select your clip, and once you select it, under video, basic, if you scroll down slightly, you'll see the option called canvas. It's already checked, but although it's checked, there is no option selected right here. If I click on the drop down, you'll get the option to blur, color, or style. Let's click on blur. And once I do that, I'll scroll down slightly. You'll see 4 different modes at the time of recording this video. If I click on the first one, the background to this video is going to have a blur that is not so intense. The second option is a little bit intense, gives you probably what you might want, a better look, and so on and so forth to the extreme version. Let's click on this. Let's say we go with that particular blur to that particular background. What I may also do is I can add a picture and then I can add another one right there. So I've got a couple of that picture and then this picture and so on. I'll come to this option again, go for the blur, and then let's say choose maybe something like this. This actually applies to this one. And if you have a ton of images and videos that are in vertical orientation, what you can do with this particular picture selected, you can scroll down and then say apply to all. And what is going to happen is that it's going to apply to all the clips on the timeline right here. If I come to this, we've got this one that we applied, and if I come to this one, we did not apply, but because we've selected apply to all, then the blur of that particular background is going to be added. So you can click on an individual clip and change the blur and how much you want it, etc. For example, this one might look better with this one, and probably for this first one, because the video fits, what you can do is you can just grab the edges and bring them in slightly, and you'll notice that the background has a blur and kind of reflection. So if you go to the start and play your video, it looks really good depending on the kind of effect you want to create for your particular video. So that is how you can blur the background to a video that doesn't fit the canvas. Creates a really good look, and if that's what you're into and you have a ton of vertical videos or images that you want to incorporate into a landscape kind of video, then you can use this particular effect. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.